Welcome back to the channel, guys. So on this episode, I'm going to take you through a beginner ab workout with 7 exercises. I'm right here in my garage. All you need is a vacant bit of floor. I've got some leftover floorboards from my house and a mat that we got from a fitness expo. But you can just lay out a towel anywhere in your house and do these exercises. So let's get straight into it. So our first exercise is going to be just a normal crunch, where we're going to be trying to keep our hands on our collarbones and raising our upper body with our feet fixed in place so that we're contracting and putting more emphasis on the upper half of our abs, that smaller sheath of muscle just underneath our chest. We're going to be hitting about 20 reps of this. Alright, so now we're going to be moving on to V-ups, and we're pretty much compressing our body like a sandwich, meeting our hands to our feet and putting emphasis on shortening the length of our ab wall. And they look like this. We're going to be hitting 20 of these as well. Nice, you should be feeling the burn now, right in that rectus abdominal. We're going to be moving on to Russian leg twist. Now I just made that name up because I'm pretty sure I made this exercise up. Not too sure, but we're going to be doing the opposite now, stabilizing our upper body with our hands and then controlling the resistance with our feet. So what we're doing is going crunching side to side. So my feet are starting out to one side, we'll be crunching up, rotating our hips, and then stretching them out to the other side. And we're just going to be repeating this 20 times. Whoa. Now you're definitely going to be feeling that one down the lower parts of your abs, and that's where we want those finer details, so that when we do lower our body fats, we can see those final 6 or 8 pack. So now to complement this, we're going to be continuing on with the obliques and twisting, but we're going to be doing the opposite. So we're going to be doing the original Russian twist, stabilizing our bottom half and rotating our upper half. We've got 40 reps of this. Just make sure that you rotate your whole torso together and not just your spine by rotating your neck. We want to rotate our elbows with our arms crossed, elbows all the way down to the side, and really crunch that oblique. Alright, nice and easy. So if you could do more, definitely try and push out a few more of them, but we will be going through this circuit 3 or 4 times. Okay, so our next exercise is going to be knee raises. Very simple. Our knees are going to be in a neutral position. We're going to be putting more emphasis on our lower ab and just rotating our hips off the ground and controlling them back down. You don't need to be doing full extensions with your leg. We want to keep that resistance on the lower abs. So we're hitting 20 of these. Right. So with those ones, make sure you're squeezing your lower abs as you raise your legs and curl your legs in towards yourself. Don't just do the movement. Force that contraction, breathe out all of the air, and squeeze those lower abs. Then release it at a controlled pace. So our 7th and final exercise is the cross crunches. Now all we do is just overlap one leg like this, and we bring our opposite elbow up to that knee, cross crunch. So we're going to be 20 on each side. So you can use this hand to stabilize yourself and then work up towards having them both up here or feeling actually where you're engaging which muscles. Switching legs. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that ab workout right here in my garage. I'm going to be doing plenty more of these at-home workouts for you guys, your stay-at-home dads, or you guys that have short amount of time or equipment to do these things. So make sure you subscribe, like the video too, because it does help me rank within YouTube. And leave a comment below of maybe muscles or exercises that you want me to show you how to do or do an instructional video on. But for more videos, go over to westmanfitness.com.au and there'll be plenty more sledgehammer workouts, backyard workouts, around the house sort of workouts. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.